Garment inspection as per AQL. AQL, Acceptable Quality Limit, inspection is a widely used method for evaluating the quality of garments and ensuring they meet the required standards. Here is a step-by-step guide for conducting an AQL inspection of garments. Define the inspection criteria. Begin by clearly defining the inspection criteria, including the quality standards, specific defects to look for, and any other requirements specified by the client or industry standards. Determine the sampling plan. Determine the sampling plan based on the lot size and AQL level. The AQL level defines the maximum number of defects acceptable in a given lot. The sampling plan should include the sample size and the acceptable and rejectable defect limits based on the AQL level. Select a representative sample. Randomly select garments from the lot according to the sampling plan. The sample should be statistically representative of the entire lot, ensuring that it includes garments from different production batches, sizes, colors, etc. Prepare the inspection area. Set up a suitable inspection area with proper lighting and workspace. Ensure that all necessary inspection tools and equipment are readily available, such as measuring tapes, scales, magnifying glasses, defect classification charts, etc. Conduct a visual inspection. Begin the inspection by visually examining each garment in the sample. Check for defects such as stitching irregularities, loose threads, fabric flaws, color variations, improper labeling, incorrect embroidery, etc. Refer to the defined inspection criteria to determine whether each defect falls within acceptable limits or exceeds them. Measure and test if required. Some garments may require measurements or specific tests. For example, for garments with size specifications, measure key dimensions such as chest, waist, and length. If the garments have specific performance requirements, conduct appropriate tests such as color fastness, tensile strength, or zipper functionality. Document defects. Record all observed defects for each garment in the sample. Use a standardized defect classification system, if available, to ensure consistency in defect identification and reporting. Take clear photos of significant defects to provide evidence for reference and communication. Calculate the inspection results. Calculate the total number of defects found in the sample and compare it against the acceptable and rejectable limits defined by the AQL level. Determine whether the lot passes or fails based on the inspection results. Prepare an inspection report. Summarize the inspection findings in a comprehensive report. Include details such as the lot information, sample size, AQL level, inspection date, inspection results. Major and minor defects found, any measurements or test results, and any additional observations or recommendations. Communicate the results. Share the inspection report with relevant stakeholders, such as the manufacturer, buyer, or quality control team. Discuss the inspection findings, highlighting any critical issues or trends. If the lot fails the inspection, work with the manufacturer to develop a corrective action plan. Remember that AQL inspections provide a statistical assessment of the lot's quality based on a representative sample. While they are widely used, They do not guarantee 100% defect-free garments in the entire production batch. Sample AQL Inspection Report. A typical AQL inspection report must contain the following: your company logo AQL inspection report. Inspection details. Inspection date, lot information, lot number/name, AQL level. Sample size inspection location inspection results. Total number of inspected garments, total inspected garments. Number of defective garments acceptable limit. Rejectable limit inspection result, pass/fail defect summary. Major defects. Defect type 1, number of defects. Defect type 2, number of defects. Defect type 3, number of defects. Minor defects. Defect type 1, number of defects. Defect type 2, number of defects. Defect type 3, number of defects. Inspection findings. The inspection was conducted on lot number/name, on date, to assess the quality of the garments according to the specified AQL level. Total inspected garments. Garments were inspected from different production batches, sizes, and colors, ensuring a representative sample. Visual inspection was performed to evaluate various aspects such as stitching, fabric quality, labeling, and overall workmanship. Measurements and tests were conducted on specified garments/tests if applicable, to ensure compliance with the required specifications. The inspection identified a total of defective garments. Inspection result. The acceptable limit for defects based on the AQL level was acceptable limit, and the rejectable limit was rejectable limit. The total number of defects found in the sample exceeded the acceptable limit, resulting in a pass/fail inspection result for the lot. Recommendations. Based on the inspection findings, it is recommended that the manufacturer takes corrective actions to address the identified defects and improve the overall quality of the garments. Close attention should be paid to the specific defect types mentioned in the defect summary, as they contributed significantly to the overall defects. Attachments. Detailed defect photos and descriptions are attached for reference. Please feel free to contact us if you have any questions or require further information. Sincerely. Your name, your position/title, your company name, contact information.